Over the last year and a half, we've seen that plummeting consumer confidence caused by the spread of COVID-19 is just as detrimental to small business revenues as aggressive public health restrictions. Throughout the pandemic, when case numbers rose, more Albertans changed their habits and did their retail shopping online and ordered restaurant delivery instead of shopping and dining in person. Simply put, even with no health restrictions, small businesses were feeling the impact of COVID-19. The government's own report reviewing the first wave came to the same conclusion, stating, quote, despite keeping its economy more open during the first wave, Alberta's consumer spending and its economic decline still followed a similar trajectory to other Canadian provinces. Alberta's softer business restrictions did not stop declines in consumer spending, end quote. Small business owners from across the province would tell you that the lack of consumer confidence impacted their revenues in the second and third waves as well. It's clear that the UCP government is not learning from their own mistakes. Now Jason Kenney and the UCP are recklessly abandoning one of the most important things we can do as a province to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Behind getting the vaccine in the arms of Albertans, which is test, trace, and isolate. The Jason Kenney approach of hiding the numbers from Albertans will not work. Cases are rising. More than 500 new cases reported yesterday for the first time since May. It's reasonable to expect the spread will increase following back to school. Hiding the truth from Albertans will harm consumer confidence. This will lead to less money being spent in Alberta small businesses. We've already seen the impacts of this as businesses are reporting that since July 1st, with all of the restrictions lifted, most are only seeing a fraction of their pre-pandemic revenue return. Without bolstering consumer confidence, people won't change their habits back, and they'll continue to stay at home, shop online, and rely on delivery apps, which of course take huge portions of local restaurants' margins in fees. Jason Kenney and the UCP need to release a new plan, a plan that will keep businesses open by showing Albertans that COVID-19 is contained and under control. We cannot continue to turn our backs on Alberta's small businesses now by undermining our own recovery and simply ignoring COVID-19, because it's clear that consumers will not.